Hello traders, welcome to Investoo.com's How to Trade Binary Options series. And in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to trade BOs with the parabolic SAR. For all of you that who don't know, parabolic SAR stands for stop and reverse. This is a great tool to trade reversals as well as corrective moves in a trending market. So we're going to go to a Euro US dollar chart or maybe a GBP USD chart, and we're going to plug a parabolic SAR, and I'm going to show you the setups that you need to be looking for. Okay, so this is a GBP USD 1 hour chart, and this is what the parabolic SAR looks like. This dots to the downside and to the upside of price. Now, as you can see, when price is trending up, we have the majority of the dots following price on the south side of it, and when price is trading down, we have the majority of dots at the top of price. Now, what we're going to do, first of all, and the first setup that we are going to be looking for is the continuation of a move. And you're going to do that by looking at price action. And right here we are making higher lows and higher highs. And you can see that the parabolic SAR dots are at the bottom of price. So we are in an up move. Then we are going to wait for a corrective move such as this one right here. Okay, and we are going to wait for the parabolic SAR dots to print at the top of price. This means that we are in a corrective move to the downside of an uptrend. When price breaks with the parabolic SAR dots to the upside, we have a signal to buy call options, and we buy call options right at this level. Okay, and again, we're looking at the 1 hour chart, so we might be trading the 4 hour expiration options or the end of day expiration options, and you can see that the expiration time on this trade gives us a winning position on a continuation. Okay, remember to trade with the parabolic SAR during very liquid hours, so you will get a continuation of the move. Also, always remember to wait for a breakout of the structure that we are looking at. In this case, we were looking at a corrective structure to the downside. Remember that we are in an up move, as you can see from the dots being printed on the downside of price, or below price, and you can see that right here we start a corrective move to the downside. Okay, some kind of a triangle formation. Once we break with this structure and we break with the dots on the upside, we have a signal to go long. Now, let's use the parabolic SAR for a nice reversal trade, and it doesn't have to be a full reversal. Remember that we are trading binary options right here, and what we want to do is what we want here in order to trade a reversal or break to the downside in an up structure is we want a clear break of the parabolic SAR dots that are being printed below price. They are being printed below price because we are in an up structure. When we break with these dots to the downside, we have a signal to buy put options, and we wait 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. You can see that this option expires in the money. Even if price comes all the way up here above our entry level, it doesn't matter because we are just trading this small reversal to the downside. Now you can see right here that we also have a break of of this parabolic SAR dots on the downside, but we are not going to take this trade, and this is very important. Right here you have to pay attention. Here are the lows, the previous lows that we made. Okay, I'm putting on a horizontal line, So you can see these lows. Not only we need to break the dots of the parabolic SAR to the downside, but we need to break with these lows, because remember that we are always trading in a trending market, and right here we bounce off this of the previous area of support or the previous lows, which means that this trade or this signal is not complete, and price might go and test these highs again. Okay, so we might be stuck in a range because we don't know what's going to happen after that. Then we break to the downside, and now we know that we are in a down move, so we are going to look for continuations to the downside. And right here we don't have a trigger on the parabolic SAR, and that's pretty sad, because there was a huge move to the downside. Okay, and now we break to the upside, and right here we are still in a down move, guys. Remember that this was a very crucial zone of support, and we broke to the downside, and right here we tested the same area. Okay, and I'm going to put on a very nice rectangle right here. Okay, you need to always use areas of support in resistance if you are using the parabolic SAR. And right here, you can see that we tested this area, and then there are a lot of buyers that come in, and we break with the parabolic SAR right here. A cool break that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles down. Okay, uh, it gives us a nice close on a winning trade at expiration, and we have a very nice 140 pip move to the downside. So this is basically how you're going to be using the parabolic SAR, and you can see right here we are still in a down move, and we have another signal right here to buy put options, and 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later this option also expires in the money. So remember to always choose to trade at least 4 candles on the expiration side, and always wait for the market to trend before you go on and look for entries.